Hello guys, both me this phone, this 12 Pro. It's been boot looping, as you see, in power and on. Just do that, goes up, to low price you see. So, if at all you face this problem at the moment, the phone just be rebooting. As you see, I've just opened it up. Some of the screws are there and cover platings. Just boot loop. So, most commonly this problem is based on the either it's face ID or this back speaker. This as you see. So most times you have to be eager to learn. I just followed up some manuals and stuff. But as you look, this is a loudspeaker. That's cable. These two fibers are for the face ID and the front camera. So what you're going to do in this moment, let us check. It's still rebooting. Let us remove the battery off. Here as you see, battery is off. So longer doing it. Then after removing the battery, let us remove the loudspeaker. So it's removed as you see unplugged. Then you put on the battery and you power it on. As you see, the phone is powering on. But if at all you are facing this issue, and most times even though you try to flash the phone won't flash. Even though you try restoring the phone won't restore because the phone will be facing some issues. As you see now, the phone has booted up, but without the loudspeaker. See, let's boot it up. So let's put in the passcode 2620. Second, now turn on. I see. Phone is in system box. So that's it for today.